Hey y'all, it's Shani, Certified Feline Training and Behavior Specialist with Wild at Heart, and I am going to show you the science behind community cat programs and TNR programs.
Some conservationists believe that free-ranging cats pose an enormous risk to biodiversity and public health, and therefore should be eliminated from the landscape by any means necessary. They further claim that those who question the science or ethics behind their arguments are science deniers, seeking to mislead the public. Contrary to Loss and Mara's 2018 claims that the scientific consensus is consistent with their views that cats are a global threat to biodiversity, the actual scientific consensus is that cats can, in certain contexts, have suppressive population-level effects on some other species. This is something that is true of all predators, native or not. Effects of low-level culling of feral cats in open populations, a case study from the forests of southern Tasmania. Killing of feral cats in 2 open sites in southern Tasmania was done during a 13-month period. We also compared trends in cat activity and abundance over the same time period at 2 further sites where culling was not conducted. Contrary to expectation, the relative abundance and activity of feral cats increased in the kill sites by a range of 75 to 211% during the culling period. The population stayed the same at the non-kill sites. A shelter in San Jose, California was one of the first shelters to adopt a community cat program. This study was on the effect of shelter cat intake and euthanasia from a shelter neuter return project of 10,080 cats from March 2010 to June 2014 in San Jose, California. And the results were euthanasia went down by 75%. Euthanasia due to URI, or upper respiratory infection, was down by 99%. Cats picked up dead, down 20%. Intake of cats and kittens down 29%. At some facilities, as many as 70% of feline admissions are euthanized. This study was done at the Albuquerque Animal Welfare Department, and it was on the impact of an integrated program of return to field and targeted trap-neuter return on feline intake and euthanasia from 2007 to 2010 in New Mexico. 11,749 cats were sterilized and returned. Euthanasia went down by 84%. Cats picked up dead was down by 24%, and intake was down 38%.
And here are just other success stories. The Fairfax County Animal Shelter in Virginia saw a 58% decrease in the number of bottle-fed kittens arriving at their shelter after 1 year of a TNR program. At the University of Florida, the number of community cats on campus declined by 66% during an 11-year study. Additionally, no new kittens were born after the first 4 years. In Rome, Italy, similar efforts saw community cat group size decrease between 16 and 32% over a 10-year period. At Texas A&M University, 123 cats were neutered in the first year of their program, and no new litters of kittens were produced the following year. A 23-year study of a targeted program to trap, spay, neuter, and return cats outdoors in the Ocean Reef community of Key Largo, Florida, showed a 55% decline in the free roaming cat population.